Now everything is running. We have monitored the pipeline and it rests only one thing, is the pipeline trigger. We can trigger the pipeline using an event trigger or a scheduled event or a timer. In this video, we are going to create a scheduled timer. Event-driven architecture in EDA is a common data integration pattern that involves prediction, detection, consumption, and reaction to events. In this tutorial, we are going to develop a trigger that is supported in Azure Data Factory. In Azure Data Factory, it's so easier to create a new trigger. Here we have a button, Add a Trigger. New or Edit, add a new trigger, the name of the trigger, the description, and the type. Here we have 4 types: the scheduled trigger type, the sampling windows, the event, storage, and the custom event. In our case, we are going to create a scheduled trigger. And here to put the start date of the event trigger. For example, I'm going to put today with hour, for example, okay, with the time zone and the occurrence every X minute or hour, days, weeks, month. And you can activate it or deactivate the trigger. Create, okay, publish. If you have not published the pipeline, the trigger is not going to be executed. And to show the execution, here we have the monitor to have all the execution with the trigger. I don't have any item here because I don't have any execution.